For more Bollywood gossips, hit the bell icon and never miss an update from Movies Adda. Malaika Arora and Arjun Kapoor's love affair has become the talk of the town, and these two lovebirds have already accepted this. But while these two lovebirds are blissful in their togetherness, their closeness has not gone down too well with the Khan family. Salman Khan had earlier banned Arjun Kapoor from entering his house, and even in public places, Salman has time and again given Arjun the cold shoulder. But after this too, Salman has not been able to control his anger. And a source claims that he's now thinking of banning Boney Kapoor also from his personal and professional life. During an interview given to a leading daily, a source close to the family said, Arjun first dated Salman's youngest sister, Arpita. He broke up with her and became friends with Malaika Arora, who was married to Salman's brother Arbaz. That was when Salman began to get annoyed with Arjun, and the latter convinced Bhai that he would never do anything to hurt the Khan family. But after Malaika's divorce from Arbaz, her public appearances with Arjun and whispers all around of their impending marriage, Salman is livid. So now Salman wants to ban Boney Kapoor from his life. Well, what do you have to say about this? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. Yesterday, quite a few B-Town celebrities flew from Mumbai to Delhi to attend a special discussion hosted by Karan Johar on the ways these celebrities were working towards nation building. This talk was held in the presence of our eminent Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. The discussion was quite healthy and fruitful, and later this entire group of stars and filmmakers posed for a couple of pictures with the PM. Here we can see a picture with Alia Bhatt, Ranbir Kapoor, Ranveer Singh, Ayushmann Khurrana, Rajkumar Rao, Karan Johar, Rohit Shetty, Siddharth Malhotra, Vicky Kaushal, Bhumi Pednekar, Ekta Kapoor and many other celebs posing with Mr. Modi. And what struck us was the $1 million smile that everyone had, and a unanimous expression of pride at being in the presence of such a dynamic leader. Now this pic has indeed struck a chord and won our hearts, and we simply can't get our eyes off it. What about you? Do let us know by commenting in the section below.
सलमान आपको काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं. अदर देन द शो ऑल्सो सलमान ने काफ़ी बार कहा है कि आपसे ज़्यादा जेन्युइन और रियल पर्सन उन्होंने नहीं देखा है, और जिस तरीके से आपने पूरे शो में ग्रो किया है, ही इज़ रियली प्राउड ऑफ यू. तो इस स्टेटमेंट पर आपका क्या कमेंट है?
यार ऐसे एक बड़ा आदमी मेरे बारे में ऐसे बोलना, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सलमान भाई. एंड सलमान भाई मुझे पहले भी जानते हैं, तो आई एम श्योर ही अंडरस्टैंड्स ए स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन. ही ऑल्सो यूज्ड टू प्ले क्रिकेट. आई एम श्योर वो जानते हैं. उनको भी बहुत सारे अच्छे दोस्त थे, इंक्लूडिंग सचिन तेंदुलकर. आई एम फ्रॉम केरला एंड आई एम ए स्मॉल गाय व्हेन इट कम्स टू ऑल दिस लेजेंड्स ऑफ क्रिकेट. सो he is supporting me in Bigg Boss House, obviously as a sports side, and he knows my struggling side also. So thank you Salman bhai for all the love and all the blessing which you have given. What do I say? Whatever I say will be small. All I can say is अगर क्रिकेट वापस आए तो जैसे सलमान भाई बोला क्रिकेट खेलना, अगर वापस नहीं आया तो भी, वापस आया तो भी इंशाल्लाह फ्यूचर में आपके साथ एक मूवी करना चाहता हूँ. एक नहीं, बहुत सारे मूवीज़ करना चाहता हूँ. जय माता दी.
Salman Khan's marriage is a matter of great intrigue for everyone, and all his fans are keen to know when he's going to marry. Well, now we got to know that the Bhaijan of B-Town will not be tying the knot before the age of 60. What? Why is that so? Well, let us tell you that we still do not know when he will tie the knot in real life, but we do know that in real life, he will marry only after the age of 60. Here we're talking about his upcoming film Bharat, where Salman Khan plays a multi-aged character. Slated to release in Eid this year, Bharat is an adaptation of the Korean film An Ode to My Father, and it will feature Salman and his tigress Katrina Kaif in the leading roles. So are you excited to hear about this on-screen shadi? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. Love is in the air for the Razi star Alia Bhatt and the Sanju hero Ranbir Kapoor. Yes, it's true. When Ayan Mukherjee cast the two stars together in his upcoming film Brahmastra, little did he know that Cupid would strike and the two would fall head over heels in love. Now, knowing Ranbir's flamboyant nature, everyone thought that this would be a passing affair. But no, the two are dead serious about their relationship and even mingle with each other's families. Just recently, we had seen that Alia too had joined Ranbir and his family in New York to ring in the new year as his dad Rishi Kapoor was undergoing treatment there. Well, although there's no official confirmation, sources claim that Rishi Kapoor is suffering from stage 2 cancer. And so Neetu Singh does not want to wait any longer to get her son engaged, and so although the two lovebirds wish to take things easy, Neetu Singh wants the two of them to get engaged in June. So are you excited about this great news? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. These days, we are seeing quite a few remakes in the making, and so filmmaker David Dhawan too is planning to work on the remake of his cult comedy Coolie No. 1. Yes, it's true. After the stupendous success of his film Judwaa 2, David Dhawan has experienced the profitability of remaking a cult comedy from the 90s era. And when it comes to comedy, then what better choice than Coolie No. 1, where we can see Govinda and Karishma Kapoor showcase their amazing chemistry along with the hilarious comedy of the late Kader Khan and Shakti Kapoor. Well, now that the film has been finalized, it was time to choose the star cast. Sources claim that seeing his own son Varun Dhawan's acting acumen in Judwaa 2, that David Dhawan is keen to cast him as the main lead. Well, now the question arises about the female lead, and here too, David has been following the trend of debutante Sara Ali Khan, whose first two films Kedarnath and Simba were money bells at the box office. So now, if all goes well, Sara Ali Khan may soon romance Varun Dhawan in the remake of Coolie No. 1. On this note, let us know how excited you are to see these two talented stars come together, and keep watching this space for more such interesting trivia only on Movies Adda. Finally, the long wait is over and fans of Salman Khan will once more be able to see him in his famous cop Chulbul Pandey avatar. Yes, producer Arbaz Khan has himself confirmed that Dabangg 3 will be on the floors from April, but the locations are yet to be finalized. Now, although there's a lot of speculation around the storyline, Arbaz prefers to keep it a secret and instead only confirmed that Prabhu Deva would be helming this project. Years ago in 2010, the first Dabangg film was released, and this was a cult hit, so much that the second installment too was planned. And now it's time for the third inning. Now, going by the past performance of the film, we are sure that Dabangg 3 too will be a super duper hit. Don't you think so? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. Katrina Kaif and Alia Bhatt were very good friends. And so when we got to know that Alia had started dating Kat's ex Ranbir Kapoor, we felt that this would be the end of their friendship. Yes, we all know that Kat and Ranbir had a very strong relationship which ended on a very bitter note. Since then, Kat has never turned back. And Ranbir, on the other hand, began to date his Brahmastra co-star Alia Bhatt. With this, we expected things to be pretty awkward between Kat and Alia. But no, the two ladies have shown that they are indeed friends forever. And so when the trailer of Alia's upcoming film Gully Boy was unveiled, Kat reposted it on her social media account with the caption, "Awesome trailer." That's not all. She also tagged director Zoya Akhtar and the leading pair Alia and Ranveer Singh and added a smiley to show her excitement. Alia too reciprocated this gesture by reposting Kat's story. So now what do you have to say about this unbreakable bond? Do let us know by commenting in the section below.